children. I'm the Cat in the Hat. And today I'm going to tell you guys a story. It's a story about two little hoodlums fighting over some wrapping. Well, yeah. So, I hope you like my little story. Once upon a time, there were two little hoodlums. One was named Mickey Mouse and one was named the Fairy of Retardedness.
Okay, go.
So, one day, they got mad at each other, so they started fighting over tinsle. But someone ripped the tinsle. And then
Look at the camera.
And then I came up and I started to dance. A-ra-cha-cha, 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 a-ra-cha-cha. And then we stopped dancing and we said,
camera.
goodbye, camera. Goodbye forever and ever and ever. And then they made up for their tinsel fight.
Yes, and now I'm going to give her fairy dust. Yay! Hold this, please.
Yes, my darling.
Faith, trust, and fairy dust.
Michael, get out.
It makes the world go round.
Faith, trust, and fairy dust. Yeah!
Makes the world go round. It's falling off! It's falling off! I'm now sinking.
Goodbye! Goodbye!